There is something about taking a moment just for yourself. No rush, no noise, just you. I reach for my ILIA lipstick, not to change who I am, but to highlight what's already there. It glides on so easily, light, effortless, almost like skin. And somehow, with just one swipe, I feel a little more put together, a little more confident. Not perfect, just real. Because beauty is not about covering up, it's about showing up. And today, this is me, soft, simple, and enough.